Hello everyone, followers of my TikTok channel, welcome back. Today is Good Friday and I thought I'd make a fish pie today. I thought I'd do something with fish in it to mark the occasion, and I made a fish pie, but I realised after I'd done it I haven't had a fish pie since the peak of my pelvic tumour, since before my surgery. And those times I wasn't really watching my proportion sizes, I struggled with my weight prior to surgery, and I was healthy, but I'm more conscious now. But after I had done the fish pie, I thought, you know what, we'll see how I go, and what I don't have or what I don't eat I will save and store in the freezer. Hope everyone has a lovely Friday.